Hello everyone, my name is Zuhair. As you all know, I'm making video of technology and education related. So our today video is somehow relevant to technology with your research. Writing a research paper or content writing or any blog post, it's somehow difficult works. When we talk about writing, there are some things in our mind. I noticed these things from many times or from many years. When I write a blog post, any type of work is related to content writing, the same problem occurs with me. I found two methods. You can write your blog post, write your research paper, anything under the domain of content writing with your voice. Because when you talk about anything, when you talk about any topic, we can frequent about speaking. But when we start writing, so there are some problem. Sometimes our typing speed is not much efficient. They can pick our words in our mind. Number one, it's Google Docs, and number two, it's third-party website. I will show you how this method work and how this method efficient or work on laptop. This is a URL docs.google.com. This is a simple website, and this is a share button shows that this document is private. After right there, you can share it anywhere. So firstly, go tools, and this is a voice typing. Control plus Shift plus S is a shortcut for Windows user. You just type it. So this mic option is here. So if you are first user and first time click on this mic, they will ask for permission for mic. So in my case, I have already got this permission, so it's never appear here. So all know the computer softwares are not more accurate. Its maximum accuracy is 80% according to research. So you are very near to mic and your voice is very clear and not too fast. It's medium pitch you follow. I just speak my intro and he will write it. Let's start. Hello everyone, my name is Zuhair. I am computer science researcher. I am currently studying in China. This is my YouTube channel. If you like this video, you can subscribe or share this video. If you are a computer science student, so you can also talk to me or you can contact with me for further help. Thank you. You just see that there are very good and precisely, it's very good results. It's very easy. You write a research paper, you write a blog post, everything in your mind, you just speak it and it will write it for you. It's a great tool. Now we will talk about another third-party tool. It's a speechnotes.co. It's a website. Speech Notes, it's a name. So speech notes work. It's no authentication on Google Docs. You must require a Google account or Gmail account to log in Google Docs. But if you are in company, if you are in school, there are some restriction on Google, so you can go with speech note. Speech note is same thing. This is a mic button. It's mic button. Now, I will talk about myself and I will tell more feature. In your right side, you just say that there are period, comma, question mark, colon, semicolon. When we talk about any other person, for example, what's your name? We don't say the question mark because it's obvious in writing. So you can say these things so they can insert these things. Hello everyone. This is my next phase. This is a speech note. This is a very good tool for all other people who want to content writing and under this domain. If you want to learn more about this tool, you can explore by yourself. If you have any problem according to these tools, you can comment below or subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Then stop it. You can see that it's very good. There are same thing. You can save it, you can share it and all other things. So I hope you will like the video and you should use these two tools. And after using, you should share your opinion, share your sentiment in comment section.